luggage wheel replacement. Not important what it is, but I'll show you. New wheel, old wheel. Airports are never friendly to these wheels. These aren't very good quality. See where it's rubbed through here as well. It's pretty much beat up. And this one I just put on. This is what it used to be. Yeah, it wasn't going nowhere. Really not that hard to replace. So, open your suitcase, unzip this guy, and look underneath, and you usually find, there's some coating here, this rubber pad concealing the screws. For this specific manufacturer, they're just using Phillips screws. I need a screwdriver. I'm using a drill because I don't want carpal tunnel anymore. There you go. Use your screw. But if you buy new wheels, they usually come with new screws. Once you've located and removed all the screws, it's your old wheel. Throw that away. See if it holds. New wheels come with new screws. So you don't have to reuse the old ones. But if the old ones are in good shape, it doesn't really matter. Next up, take your new wheel, place it in the correct orientation, which should be pretty common sense. Okay, now put your screws in. Once you've got all four, you're going to put the foam back over it, or find something to cover it, or just leave it. Who cares? And then move on to the next two. And once you're all done, you'll have 4 brand new wheels. Until the baggage people fuck these up too. There you go. There you go. Suitcase, new wheels.